So the subject English. Today's lecture, English lecture, and dear students, that day I had started one poem. The name of the poem is Trees. Let's learn, let's continue the poem Trees. Yes, no, trees. So trees poem we are going to learn, and this is totally based on trees. The poem is about trees. The poem is about trees because trees are important. Trees are our friends. Trees provide us food, shelter, oxygen, and many things. So because of these things, trees are our best friend. So I will write here that trees are our best friend. Best friend. So trees are our best friend. Save trees. Save trees. Plant trees. Save trees. Save nature. So dear students, this poem, the trees poem, this poem is about trees. This poem is about trees only because trees are most important in a human being's life, living being's life, and we human beings need oxygen, food, shelter, and many things. So that's why trees are important. And the poet shared her thoughts about the trees. So this poem is about the trees. This poem is about trees and how trees can help us. How can they help? In what aspect they help? And what we human beings think about the trees, and what type of enjoyment, what type of happiness can we get from the trees. So dear students, without wasting time, let's start today's lecture. The name of the poem is Trees. Let's start. I will write here stanzas and then I will explain. This is the trees. This is the poem Trees. So now let me write here stanzas. So the first one, trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in, and trees are to swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. So these are first 5 sentences. Just listen carefully, dear students. Afterwards you can write. Don't write. Let me explain first. Don't write. Yes, okay, very good. So now, trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. These are 4-5 lines of the poem. So poet tells here what are the uses. The trees are useful. You know, trees are useful. Trees give us. Trees provide us food, shelter, and happiness. So here poet described what the trees are helpful. So first, for what trees are there? The trees are for birds. Trees are for birds first. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. So trees are for birds. Why? Here, because birds live in trees. Birds find shelter in trees. So these two things are important. Trees are for birds. Birds live in trees. Birds find shelter in trees. Shelter means what? Shelter means house. Shruti, where do the birds live? Where do the birds live? Where do the birds live, Shruti? Where do the birds live? Yes.
Birds live in trees.
Very good. Birds live in trees. Birds find shelter in trees. So because of this, trees are for birds. Why? Trees are for birds. Why? Because birds live in trees. They build nests. Birds build nests in trees. Birds build nests in trees. So dear students, trees are for birds. Write down this. Trees are for birds, and write down birds live in trees. Birds find shelter in trees. Birds build nests in trees. 1, 2, 3. Write down. 1, 2, 3. Birds. But trees are for birds. For what? For what purpose? Birds live in trees. Birds find shelter in trees, and birds build nests in trees.
నా చదవాలి మ్యూట్
A, off your mic.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ ಏನೇ ಇಕ್ಕುತ್ತ
Okay, now listen carefully. Afterwards, trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are for children. So let me write about children. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. So next line of the poem is trees are for children. Children means who? Children means you. Children means you. Boys and girls, kids. So trees are for children. Why? Because children also play under the trees. Many things are there. They like trees. Do you like trees, dear students? Do you like trees? Yes. The answer is yes. Answer is yes. So now here trees are for children. For children, why? For children, why? Okay. First reason, second reason, third reason, fourth reason. There are four reasons. There are four reasons why trees are for children. Because I told you trees are for birds. For birds, three reasons. For children also there is a reason. Because trees are for children. Trees are to swing swings on. Because children tie swing. To swing. Children tie swings to swing and to make. They make tree houses and also they play hide and seek. Hide and seek. Yes. Hide and seek. And next one, the last one, they have tea parties. And next one, fifth one, they fly kites. So these are the reasons, dear students. Just listen carefully. Do not write. Shruti, don't write anything. Let me explain, beta. Let me explain first. Yes, no. So, dear students, just listen carefully, understand well. Trees are for children. Trees are for children means what? These are the reasons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons. First one, children tie swings to swing. They make tree houses. They play hide and seek. They have tea parties and they fly kites. They fly kites. So Shruti, read beta. Shruti, read beta. Read that 5 reasons. Read these 5 reasons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Singing. They play hide and they have tea parties. They fly kite.
Okay, off your mic. Off your mic. Rajnandini, read it. Rajnandini, read it. Rajnandini, read it.
They make tree houses. They play hide and seek. They have tea parties.
Gnaneshwari, off your mic. So, trees are for children because children tie swings to swing. They make tree houses. They make tree houses. They play hide and seek. And then and then they have tea parties, they fly kites. So because of these things, trees are for children, trees are for birds, trees are for children. For what? These are the reasons. Children tie swings to swing, they make tree houses, they play hide and seek, they have tea parties, and they fly kites. Because of these things, trees are for children. So two lines we have completed. Trees are for birds and trees are for children. Trees are for birds and trees are for children. Next, trees are to make tree houses in. What is the meaning of this line? Trees are to make tree houses in. The meaning of this line is they make tree houses. They make tree houses to play. Children want to play. Children like to play. So for playing purpose, trees are to make tree houses in. So children make tree houses in. That is called trees are to make tree houses in. So three lines we have completed. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swings on. The next line is trees are to swings on. To swing means what? To swing. Here children tie swings to swing. Swing means what? This is the tree, and here they tie like this, and here, yes, no, this is called a swing. So trees are to swings on. Children tie swings to swing because in summer season we like to swing on. How many students like to swing on like this? Shruti, do you like this? Swings on? Very good. So because we like in summer, in winter also, many seasons are there, that in that seasons in nature we like to swing on, and we tie swings, and that's why trees are to swings on. And then trees are for the wind to blow through. What is the meaning of this line? Trees are for the wind. Wind means what? Wind means what? Wind, you know, that is flowing, is blowing. So wind means air. So trees are for the wind to blow through. To blow through means what? To blow through means trees make noise. Trees make noise. Trees make noise when wind blows through. So trees are for the wind to blow through means what? I think I just want to ask you, have you heard the sound of trees? Sound of trees is there. So sound of trees is there. When sound will come? When wind is there, air is there, wind is there. That time it makes trees make noise. Like this sound is there, no? That is called making noise. Trees make noise. Trees make noise when wind blows through. Wind blows through means what? Because of wind, because of air, trees sound. Trees make noise. That's why trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are for the wind to blow through. So now, dear students, write down these things. Write down these things all. Write down this. Now, write down. This line is about this, and this is trees are for children. Means what? 5 reasons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trees are for children. Children try swings to swing. They make tree houses. They play hide and seek. They have tea parties and they fly kites. This is for trees are for children. And what is the meaning of this line? Trees are for the wind to blow through. Means what? Trees make noise when wind blows through. When wind is there, trees make noise. Write down this. Completed? Okay. So now I will rub it. Now next, dear students, next lines of the poem. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties. Tea parties under. Tea parties under. Now the next one, next line. Trees are for kites to get caught in. So dear students, here next 3 lines are here. Don't write the Shruti. Let me explain. I will give 2 points, 2 minutes to write. Just let me explain. Next lines of the poem. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this line, trees are to hide behind. Hide means what? Playing hide and seek. You like to play hide and seek. I will hide, find me. So if you have trees, you can hide behind a tree. Like this. Behind a tree. You can hide like this. You can hide like this behind a tree. So trees are to hide behind. To hide behind in hide and seek. Hide and seek is a game. It's a game to play. So children like to play this game. Children like to play this game, hide and seek. and they hide behind a tree. They hide behind a tree. So like this is the happening, and that's why trees are to hide behind hide and seek, and trees are to have tea parties under the trees. Shruti, under the trees, tea party. Party, do you like party? Party, do you like? Yes, I think party, everyone likes party. Yes, no? Everyone likes party. Everyone. I think you like a coffee party, tea party, veg party, non-veg party. Many parties are there. But for kids, here poet describes trees are to have tea parties under. Tea parties means what? Tea parties means what? Having tea. Tea, do you like tea and coffee? So tea parties. Children, they have tea parties under the trees. Children have tea parties under the trees. So Priti, do you like tea? Priti, do you like tea? Tea or coffee? On your mic, beta. On your mic. What? You like? Okay, so like this, trees are to have tea parties under. For what trees are there? Under the trees, we will enjoy party, tea party, coffee party, non-veg party, veg party. Whatever you want, we can eat. We will have party. We will enjoy party under the trees. Children enjoy the party under the trees. So trees are to have tea parties under, and trees are for kites to get caught in. What is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line, dear students? Here one complaint is there. One complaint is there. What is the complaint? Children complain. Children complain. Children complain means what? Trees are for kites. Children play or fly kites. But in trees that kites get caught. So you know that children complain is what? Children complain. Trees are for kites to get caught means children fly. Children fly kites, and in trees sometimes the kites get caught. Yes, no? Branches are there. Trees branches are there, and that branches our kites get caught, and the children complain about this. Children complain about this, that oh, my kite is there on the tree only. Oh, my kite caught there in trees. I want that kite back. My kite is there. So that is called complaint. So children complain. Children complaint is there. So trees are for kites to get caught in. So children complain, they fly kites, but in trees that kites get caught. Understood? Preeti, understood? Write down this. Write down this. Gnaneshwari, off your mic. Last warning to you. Gnaneshwari, I will call you. Off your mic. If you want to give answer, only on. Samiksha. Off your mic. Okay, completed this? Completed this? Okay, so trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Yes, this is called trees. Okay, off your mic, Ray. Okay, Rajnandini, read these lines 1, 2, and 3.
Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get catch in.
Caught in. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, off your mic. Off your mic. So now, next lines from the poem are trees. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. In summer, trees are to make no shade in winter. In winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears. So dear students, these are next three lines. These are next three lines. Who will read these lines? Who will read?